Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. In today's video, we're diving into the Dynamic Carousel widget, a powerful way to showcase posts, products, or any custom content in a stylish, sliding carousel. Whether you're building blogs, portfolios, testimonials, or WooCommerce stores, this widget combines dynamic data with smooth navigation, customizable skins, and advanced styling options. Ready to bring your content to life? Let's get started. To start working with the Dynamic Carousel widget, open your editor and look at the left-hand sidebar. Type Dynamic Carousel into the search bar, and when the widget appears, drag and drop it into your editor. Once placed on the page, a prompt will immediately appear asking you to select a template. If you already have a template prepared, simply choose it from the Layout section. If not, you'll need to create one before continuing. To create a new template, go to your WordPress dashboard and hover over the Templates tab. From the drop-down, click Add New, which opens the new template setup window. Here, you'll need to choose the type of template you want to create. You'll see three options: Container, Page, and Section. For this demonstration, select Page as the template type. Next, give your template a clear, recognizable name, then click Create Template. This takes you straight into the editor, where you can begin designing the layout. Inside the editor, the first widget you'll add is the Image widget. Drag it onto the canvas and customize its resolution, caption, and link settings as needed. Hover over the image area, and you'll notice the Choose Image option, along with a dynamic tags icon in the bottom right corner. Click the icon to open a list of available dynamic sources. From here, select Featured Image, so the widget automatically pulls the featured image from your posts. Next, adjust the link option by selecting Custom URL. Click the dynamic tags icon again and choose Post URL. This ensures that each image is clickable, dynamically linking to the corresponding post. Once that's set up, add a heading widget to your template. On the right side of the title field, you'll once again see the dynamic tags icon. Select Post Title, and the heading will instantly update to display each post's actual title. To make the title clickable, go to the link field, click the dynamic tags icon, and select Post URL again. This way, both the image and the title link to the post page. Now, open the Style tab of the heading widget. Customize the typography, font size, and text color to fit your site's design. At this stage, you already have a basic template where both the image and title are dynamic. Save your progress by clicking Publish. Head back to the main editor where you originally added the Dynamic Carousel widget. Under the Content tab in the Layout section, search for the template you just created and select it. Instantly, your carousel will display posts with their featured images and titles. This is the power of the Dynamic Carousel widget. Instead of designing each carousel item individually, you create one template and reuse it across all items. This approach saves time and ensures a consistent design across your site. If you'd like to refine the design further, return to the template editor. Select the heading widget, open its Style tab, and adjust the typography settings until it matches your preferences. Now let's enhance the template by adding a few more elements to make it more dynamic and informative. Start by dragging a text editor widget just below the title widget. Once placed, click the dynamic tags icon and choose Post Excerpt. This automatically pulls the excerpt from each post. To refine how it looks, open the Settings menu. Here you can customize the end text and toggle the Link End Text option off. Then, move to the Style tab to adjust the excerpt's typography, alignment, spacing, and text shadow. These options let you fine-tune the appearance so it blends seamlessly with your site's theme. Next, make the template more engaging by adding the icon list widget below the text editor. Once it's on the page, open the first list item and click the dynamic tags icon. From the drop-down, select Post Author. To make the author's name clickable, delete the icon, then go to the link field, click the dynamic tags icon again, and select Post Author URL. For the second list item, click the dynamic tags icon and choose Post Date. This will display the publication date of the post. Finally, set up the third list item. Open it, click the Dynamic Tags icon, and select Post Comments to display the comment count. Delete the icon here as well. Once all 3 list items are set, adjust the layout style. Change it from the default to inline so that the author, date, and comment count display neatly in a single row. After arranging the content, move to the Style tab. In the text section, you can refine typography and add text shadows to match your design. For extra interactivity, open the Hover sub-tab and set a different text color when visitors hover over it. Once satisfied, click Publish, then preview and refresh the page. You'll now see the excerpt appear just below the post title, followed by the author's name, post date, and comment count, all styled and functional. Next, let's refine the image. Return to the template editor, select the image widget, and open its Style tab. Here you can adjust alignment, width, max width, height, opacity, border type, border radius, and box shadow. Publish, refresh, and preview the page again. Your image will now display seamlessly within the design. To make the layout more engaging, add a creative button widget just beneath the image. This button can be customized to stand out. Start by selecting a style in the Options panel, then open the text settings. Click the Dynamic Tags icon and select Post Terms to display categories or tags linked to the post. In the settings, turn off the default link, then use Dynamic Tags again under Link Settings to connect the post terms URL. Switch to the Style tab, where you'll find 2 sections, Normal and Hover. Under Normal, adjust the text color, background color, border, radius, padding, box shadow, and typography. For advanced customization, open the Advanced tab for even more design control. Once styled, click Publish, then preview and reload the page. You'll now see the button neatly aligned at the bottom right corner of the image with your new styles applied. Now let's finish the layout with the Dynamic Carousel. In the Layout section, adjust the item gap to control spacing. Then move to the Style tab and open the Items section. Here you'll see Normal, Hover, and Active subtabs. In Normal, set the background type, adjust border radius, and refine padding. Next, head to the Navigation section. Under Normal, you can style the color, background, border type, radius, padding, size, spacing between arrows, box shadow, and offset. Switch to Hover to define hover-specific effects like color, background, box shadow, and offset. Go back to the Content tab and open the Navigation menu. Here you can set the navigation style, arrow and dot positions, and arrow icons. You'll also find toggles for dynamic bullets, scroll bars, and hiding arrows on mobile. Publish and preview your page again to see the navigation styled precisely as customized. Here's where Elementor adds flexibility. If you're working with multiple templates, you can easily build a design system. Simply duplicate an existing template, open the duplicate, and adjust it in the Layout section. From there, you can assign it as a new design and update the styling to fit your needs. This duplication process can be repeated as often as necessary. For example, duplicate the second design, rename it as the third, and make further changes. Continue duplicating and modifying to create as many variations as you like. Each version can be edited anytime, giving you the freedom to experiment until you achieve the exact look you want. With this workflow, you can build multiple template variations quickly, each carrying its own unique style, while keeping the process efficient and straightforward. Elementor's tools allow you to balance consistency with creative flexibility, making it easy to refine designs and expand your site's visual identity. And that's it. With the Dynamic Carousel widget, you can design once and reuse endlessly, ensuring flexible and consistent layouts across your WordPress site. This powerful widget saves time, enhances creativity, and streamlines your workflow. Stay tuned as we dive into more advanced use cases in upcoming tutorials. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.